at the Lux Factory. They do not have any dealers. They only have custom made ones here. We're going to take you in this one. Hey.
Are you filming?
Yep. Yeah. Good.
Which model is it? Which model is it? This is the 42 MB Midbunk. Here we have our big combined living room kitchen area. You can see top of the line construction materials throughout. Entertainment center, built-in soundbar and subwoofer back here, I believe. TV swings out for storage back there. Got your Blu-ray player down here and 40-inch fireplace. I need storage up here. It kind of runs all the way through. Very nice.
I have a residential fridge, and all of this stuff is customizable. You can choose a lot of different things. You can choose the oven that you want. If you don't want a wet bar, you can choose to do a pantry in here. All the colors and everything are customizable. This one has this soft wall that, so you can see my finger imprinting there, that dampens the sound, dampens and keeps it a little bit cooler in here. This one has the midship room that has the bunk. You can choose not to have the bunk and have a bigger window.
You have your control panel for your climate control here. Not really hooked up now, but you can control it from here inside the mid-bunk.
Nice thing about this mid-bunk is that you have the washer dryer right here in the mid-bunk, so it's not in your bedroom. You've got a TV. You don't have to have the TV. You can get it without the TV in here. You've got a desk in here and nice deep closets in here with all of your in commands. You've got all your storage up here.
You have a nice sliding barn door.
This is one of the things that Mike likes, is all of the doors in here are sliding barn doors. So your bathroom door is not going to block off your hallway up by the bedroom. The bedroom door is not going to block off the hallway. They're all barn door style.
Full solid surface countertops. Super smooth, almost feels like granite.
We'll take you back this way. Trying to do a quick one here. You got some cupboards here.
Got all your controls, tank monitors. Plenty of room to put additional controls. Looks like probably your fuse box down there. Some more control panels.
And your in-command.
In-command system here. Nice bathroom. Full fiberglass shower. Nice large basin sink.
You got a medicine cabinet.
Here's your front bedroom area. Beautiful closet with dressers on both sides. Nice, really deep doors. All soft close. So higher end mechanisms in there. Shoe storage. I believe this is cedar lined in the closet here.
You got a bar up there for all your hanging clothes.
Yes, hanging bars, LED lights in there.
You got the little side tables that you can store stuff in. It has the windows on the sides and plenty of extra storage up top.
Extra lights, reading lights.
The Whisper Quiet ACs.
Yep. Get your temperature controls on the wall and your in-command systems to control your climate. Oh, and heater ducts in the wall and not the floor. Very nice. Get your entertainment center here. Big window, plenty of storage, including little china cabinet areas, which I like. It's pretty cool. They're all lit up. If you want to show off things in there. Storage goes all the way through the dresser. Big TV.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And the hallway has nice windows here. There's 2 nice windows in the hallway and plenty of space in between for different things to be able to hang.
All dual pane windows, soft touch walls in the hallway. An extra leaf you can pull out for a table.
And this furniture is very, very comfortable.
Yes, very high-end, nice, non-electric. Just like at home.
Very nice.
Beautiful floors, too. You get any of the outside?
Yep.
Love that.
So it has the Lippert solid step that actually locks in when you're trying to lock it in. Has an entertainment center back here. Fully walk-on roof. Giant slides here. And a solid ladder up there. We'll catch you outside. So we are here at the Lux Factory. We just got done with the factory tour. It was really great. This is a specially designed RV that doesn't have any kind of dealer. They do all their custom things that they want in here. So you can really come in here and get exactly what you want on a rig. I don't know how much they are. I haven't looked at them yet.
Most of them are over 200 grand. So.
But it was a really nice factory tour. They actually said that they like to have people come here to pick up their rigs so that they can sit here at one of the campgrounds here, get everything done, make sure that everything's working properly for them so that they can change things out if they need to. I was really impressed with this. If we didn't have something that we have right now, I would probably go with a Lux if I could afford it. They're amazing. It's really, really hot here in Indiana, but it was really nice to be able to go into the factory and really get the tour.
Yes, and this is the Lux Factory in Elkhart, Indiana. We only got the front office area here. But very nice, informative tour. So this is Mike and Kim signing out.